Hi there! Welcome back to our series on Nintex automation, helping you build forms efficiently. One key tip: keep parameter names consistent across views and forms. Notice how the input parameter here has exactly the same name in both the view and form. We like to add prefixes to parameter names. This makes it easier to distinguish them from controls and other variables when revising rules. And here's a handy shortcut. When a view is added to a form, the designer automatically creates an initialize method. If the parameters are named consistently, the designer automatically passes the form parameter to the view on initialize, just like this. Next, let's talk about unbound rules. Unbound rules aren't tied to a specific event. You simply click Add Rule and give it a name. This is useful for simplifying event-based rules, like saving data or validating item views. Once set up, these rules can be called when needed, like when clicking the Update button. They can even be triggered from parent forms, making it easy to validate multiple views at once. One last tip: aim to keep each view as self-contained as possible. If a view can handle its own display data, validation, and saving, it becomes far more reusable. That's it for now. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and demos. Got questions? Reach out. We'd love to help.